Hello and welcome to HELiOS ShortClip. In this video I would like to present you the new Navisworks interface. As you can see, Navisworks is as integrated in HELiOS as Inventor, AutoCAD or SolidWorks. This means that we have the option to open NWD or NWF via our own ribbon component, whether it is a read-only document or for editing. We can also access the respective document in HELiOS, including all information. Furthermore, there is also the operational area which we can access, and we are able to choose Navisworks functions such as add and merge. In this case we do not use Windows Explorer but HELiOS and load all components. Of course, we can activate the project or, in addition, a file. The user can be switched if we are authorized to do so. I already have prepared a plan construction, meaning that I have loaded a few components. For the completion, we would also add components from HELiOS. This means that I would here include the turbine in this plan construction. This turbine would be saved in the NWF file. All the other functions such as viewing, turning, running and the option to define viewpoints or write comments will also be saved in the NWF file and can be accessed at any time. Of course, the version management will also be included if requested. Okay, that's it. Thank you for your attention. Bye.